Where you going? Honey? Yeah. Oh, come on, Riot. Get out of the grass.
Alright, come on. Come here. You are a bad dog. Come here, bad dog.
Does Lily like Riot? Yeah.
No, Lily can't hold him. He's too big. Oh, there's Daddy.
Here's your daddy. Is that your daddy? Is that your daddy? Who is that? Is that Daddy? Come on. Come on. Out. Out.
Is it Daddy?
What are you doing, baby girl? This Why? You want to hold him?
Oh, he's not taking you home.
Come here. Come see Daddy. You want to hold Why?
No, she thinks you're going home. No, Daddy's staying here.
Daddy's going to stay for a little bit. Careful with it. You're going to take off. Can Daddy have a hug?
Give Daddy love.
Come here.
Stop that. You just chewed the other leash off.
Come here.
Let me go wash my face and hands.
Come here. Say hi to Daddy. You gonna give Daddy a hug?
He's not taking you home. Give Daddy love.
No.
He's not taking you home. You're staying here. Okay? I'm sorry, honey.
Can Daddy go inside? What? What
She
about
wants to
Ani?
go with Honey.
Where are you going?
I'm
Oh,
walking
go.
with her. Don't eat the meatballs yet. 5 more minutes. I'll turn on. Go through the.